Question number 2. It says point Q is shown on the coordinate grid below. And then down here it says, which statement is true about the relationship between point -3, 2 and point Q? Okay, point Q, bam, is right there for us. I'm going to quickly plot the point -3, +2. That's right there. Right, -3 on the x-axis, +2 on the y-axis lands you up here. And so we just need to know which of these 4 statements is true. Let me see if they can all get them on. Okay, so question number A, or answer choice A says it's a reflection across the x-axis. And so going across the x-axis would bring us, right, that's where we fold the paper in half this way, right? Q is 1, 2 units away from the x-axis, and this point is also 2 units away from the x-axis. So I actually think it's going to be A. It does seem to be true, but let me just make sure B, C, and D are not correct. Okay, so B, it's a reflection across the y-axis. Well, reflecting over the y-axis would actually end us up down here in this quadrant, right? We would fold this paper in half along the y-axis like that, right? And we see where will that point end up? Well, it would end up right here, right? And that's not that. So not B. C, they are 6 units apart. Well, let's count the boxes, right? It's 1, 2, 3. They are only 4 units apart. So that's not right either. And I'm going to assume D is incorrect because A sure did seem like the right choice, but let's just check on D. They are 2 units apart. No, they're not 2 units apart, right? We just figured out they were four units apart, right? 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units, and 4 units, right? A unit is a square. They're 4 apart. They're 2 from the y-axis. Each of them are 2 units from the x-axis, but that's not what D is saying, right? So no, D is not the correct answer either, which does mean that A was correct. Can you see what mistake you made if you answered if your answer choice was B, C, or D? Where did you go wrong?